Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. For 33 of you, welcome back to the channel. My name's Patrick, and today we're going to be finishing up the belt project that we started last week. If you remember, last week we started with our tropical fan cooling clutch upgrade. We started with our tropical cooling fan clutch upgrade. And we needed to do a little bit of belt work after that. So today, we're gonna try to get all those belts replaced. Before we do that, however, how about we talk about where we're gonna go with the channel for just a minute or so. We've been working on learning how to make videos and upload them to YouTube, if you've been following along. We have a lot of great things that are gonna come, but first we gotta do a few more of these kind of like maintenance, like kind of quick upgrade ones, I guess, to do, or to get better with these videos. All right, with that said, let's do a little practice unboxing and then jump right into the video. All right, just like last time, we're gonna start with taking off the 4 10mm nuts that hold on our cooling fan. Okay, with those 4 removed, and these 2 binder clips that are still on here from last time removed, we're just gonna pull the fan and the shroud out again together in one pull. All right, everything's off. The covers that I broke last time when replacing the engine oil seals and the harmonic balancer, and the belts, and the bit. Oh, there went our light. All right, there. Now you can see it again. We have it all off on the floor. That was our old balancer. This is the new one. Just the belts and the gears. All right, now that we have everything apart, all we have to do is put it back together again and make it work. We've got it all kind of laid out right here. Let's get started putting it back together. Maybe cross your fingers. All right, here we go. Hey, here we are back a couple days later. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving and plenty to eat. I can assure you I did. So we ran out of battery when we were finishing up our video, which you just saw. So we're back with fresh batteries and a little better lighting. We finished it up, and I'm happy to report that a couple 100 miles later and picking up Thanksgiving food and some holiday cheer later, all the belts are still on. There's nothing squeaking. I think we can consider this project done. All right. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next episode. We're gonna...